Good afternoon. I'm on Zachary's channel, Z Squad, and today is a special day because it's Zachary's birthday. So he's recording me doing his cake. I've already pre-made his cake. We made a Devil's Food chocolate cake. But what we're going to show now is the frosting and the ganache and how to assemble it. So I put my 1 cup of butter in here already. And we need to add the sugars. We have a half a cup of, there's 1 cup of butter, a half a cup of regular sugar, white sugar, and a cup of light brown sugar. And what we're going to do is we're going to whip these. Going to whip these until light and fluffy, 3 minutes. Let me scrape the bowl a little bit here. Okay, there we go. Then we're going to add the vanilla, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. So I'm going to go ahead and put that in, 2 teaspoons of vanilla. I'm going to stop this for just a moment and scrape the sides a little bit. So we've got our butter and our sugars in there and our vanilla. I'm going to get that all mixed really well together. Alright. I'm going to put our, combined our salt and flour together. There is 1 teaspoon of sea salt and there's 2 1/4 cups of flour. Now we got to slow this down and we're going to add our flour mixture just a little at a time here. Alright. This is a chocolate chip cookie dough frosting. One of Zach's favorites. Okay, I'm going to get that in there. Adding it in there. I'm going to stop this for a moment and get the sides scraped a little bit. Whoa. It's almost, right now, it does look like chocolate chip cookie dough, but it's icing, so of course there's no eggs or anything in it. Getting that incorporated in there. It's thick like cookie dough. Go ahead and put the rest in there. Now we're going to increase the speed, and we've got some milk that we're going to put in there. So our milk is just 1/4 cup plus 2 tablespoons of milk, and you need to have that at room temperature, which we do. And that's just to get it so it's not so thick. Let's stop that for a moment. Oh yeah, it's a lot more like a, now this is going to be a little bit thicker icing or frosting than some of your frostings, but that's okay. Alright, so let's mix that up just a little bit more. Okay, and then we got to add our chocolate chips. So there's a cup of chocolate chips that are going to go in there, and this is our icing, our frosting that we're doing right now. Oh yeah, good stuff. Oh yeah, good, good, good. Alright, we need to check this out and see how, I have to get a spoon here. There we go. This is our icing. So it does look like chocolate chip cookie dough. Alright. Let's taste test this for a moment and see how it tastes here. Oh yeah, that's good. Good job. Alright, so that's our icing, our frosting. And in just a few moments, we're going to assemble our cake. Okay, so we've already got our cakes made. This is a chocolate Devil's Food cake, and I wrapped them up in saran wrap and put them in the freezer. I made them a couple days ago. I've already got them leveled off. I've got 3 6-inch tiers, 3 6-inch round. So what we're going to do is put our icing, and we're going to be very generous with it. and make it really yummy and thick. Oh man, that is gonna be one good cake, I think. Yeah, so this is pretty thick, but that's all right. You want it, this icing is, or frosting, I guess is what it's called, is gonna be thick. Whoa, how's that? And we're gonna be pretty generous with this. Just kind of get it on there like that. All right, then we got our second tier. There we go. Okay, put some more of that on there. And because this cake just came out of the freezer, it's a little bit easier to, we don't have to worry about crumbs or anything. Whoa. I think we can add a little bit more. Let's just be generous with it. That is thick. All right. What do we think, Zach, in the background? Does that look like a good amount?
Looks very good.
Yep, looks good. Okay, we got plenty of frosting in here, so. All right. So, here's our top tier. Oh my goodness, that is like a really tall cake, but this is awesome. Okay, we are gonna go ahead, we're gonna do ganache on the top, but I have some leftover frosting, so I am just gonna go ahead and do a layer on top here. Some of it might melt a little bit with the ganache, but that's okay. So we will do that. You almost can mold this with your hands because it's so thick. So it's not like a regular, frosting like you would normally do. It's nice and thick, that's what you want. All right, so we got that. All right. And we're gonna just kind of, I think what I may have to do is get my knife a little warm. Okay, so this is the other step. Almost there. Okay, we've assembled our cake. I did take my spatula and dipped it in hot water just to smooth out the sides a little bit here. Now we've melted our ganache. We took 2 ounces, we did more. We did 4 ounces of chocolate chips and then we did 4 ounces of heavy whipping cream. Okay, so what we're gonna do is just pour, I chose to use this. We're gonna do along the edge here first. Yeah. How's that looking?
Looks very good.
Fill in the top here. It's gonna go. That's all right. Should just keep pouring it, I guess. There we go. And it's gonna drip onto our plate. That's okay. We don't mind. Okay, I think that's good. There we go. What do you think? Okay, so then we're gonna just put some crumbled up cookies on the top that I had in the freezer already, chocolate chip cookies, and just kind of put them on the top like that. And there we go. Voila, chocolate chip cookie dough cake.